Okay, I read an article from August 19th that compares today's coin market with the coin market from the 1980s. Here's a quick summary. There's no doubt that we're in the midst of a bullish coin and bullion market in the United States. Since the start of the pandemic, the demand for rare coins, the premiums on just physical metals in general, especially silver and gold, have reached some of the highest levels that we've seen in decades. A lot of the mints, like the American Mint, the U.S. Mint, don't have sufficient planchettes, that's the blanks, to produce all of the different coins. Prices for major rarities are hitting record highs. In June, the only legal to sell 1933 Double Eagle, which is a rare coin, sold for $18.9 million. The prior record for the most expensive coin was like half that back in 2013. So we just had a record $19 million sale. The market's hot. With the market seemingly smoking in every area of collecting and bullion, you have to wonder if that strength can continue to maintain or whether there's a risk of hitting a peak and then declining. You really do have to look at this, especially if the economic recovery falters, perhaps because of rising inflation continuing longer than anticipated by the Fed or because of the spread of COVID. So here's how it was in the 80s. Bullion was setting all-time highs just like gold did earlier this year. Concerns about inflation, just like we have now, led a lot of people to seek hard assets like the metals to protect their wealth. Prices for common coins like MS-65 Morgans reached their highest levels ever. That's exactly what's happening right now. Wall Street got involved in the rare coin business. They made investment funds in rare coins. They pushed the prices through the roof because they were buying in bulk, taking a lot of coins off the market. In a lot of cases, the levels of the prices were astronomical. A lot of that's happening now. The areas that didn't crash, because what happened was gold and silver spot price values dropped sharply just a couple months after hitting new records, okay? Prices for most of the common coins and high grades came crashing down. Look, and there's certain coins that were selling for $4,000 that should have been selling for $400. And what do you think happened? They crashed. The areas that did better were genuinely scarce, properly graded classic U.S. coins, like rare date Morgans, high grade, low population Morgans. The stuff that are coins that values have continued to increase since they came out and are today worth many, many multiples of what they were worth back when. The same tried and true coins, fellas, ladies, gentlemen, that's the point. The same tried and true coins are the ones that will continue to get the money. So these crazy and artificial prices that you might be buying into, new stuff coming out from the mint, it's just because of what's happening now, shortages at the mint and so on. Those prices will come down. You have to buy the tried and true coins. And that stuff cuts through. It cuts through everything that's going on in the market right now. And those coins will continue to last. Extremely, extremely, extremely important. The same strategy that I got into this business with is the same strategy I use through and through. I don't buy into the hype. The short-term buy now, sell because it's hot. I won't get you those coins. I'm not your guy for that. But if you want real coins, the right stuff, that has time tested and will continue to do well, that's what we sell here at JD Rarities. And I'll include this article for you guys to take a look. Thanks. Have a good week.